Hey guys, welcome to another episode of 1 Minute Info with CAS. Today we're going to be talking about our stainless steel LG fridge. Today I do have the matte black fridge with me, but the stainless steel's model number is LFXS28566S. So this is our beautiful full depth LG fridge. As you can see, matte black finish, looks super premium. This fridge is also fingerprint resistant. So as you can see, no fingerprints. Another really cool feature that this fridge has, which is patented for LG, quick door. Takes you straight to your milk, your sauces, anything you need without opening the whole fridge. Really cool feature. Apart from that, this has 27 cubic feet of space, so you can tell that it's huge. And you get the space saver ice dispenser right here, so it doesn't take up any space on the inside. Apart from that, it comes back with LG's full protection of 1 year manufacturing warranty. But if you did want that extended warranty, please feel free to reach out to us. My name is Ehab and my extension is 260. Have a great day.